The next big artist is a youth who are hot up the streets over Portmore, yes sir. Enhance, what go on, my brother?
Blessed me general.
Enhance, talk to me a little bit about your music, your sound.
Yeah man, unique and different.
We hear that often when young artists describe themselves. What exactly is so unique? What exactly is so different about Enhance?
Alright, that's the name alone tell you, man. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Enhance, that means bigger than what everybody else. Right. Yeah, man.
Well, it's not the normal, it's a more enhanced.
Yeah, everything enhanced. Man.
And speaking of that now, you have an interest in spelling letter N and enhanced. Tell us how you get the name.
Alright. Get the name from J, but you know, we sit down there and it was a name before that.
Yeah.
We say we need something more, isn't it? Something more fit me, isn't it? We say, oh, yeah man, enhance man, because you have to do some different thing from everybody I do. Yeah. Isn't it? I carry it higher, so I still come the name come about, you know, enhance, and track like, hey my man, the name come about, the enhance, you know.
Tell us about some of your influences musically.
Alright. Music influences them. Alright. Shabba ranks.
Yeah.
You know? I listen to Beanie Man a lot.
Yeah.
You see me? And a female artist too. Gaza Sheba, I listen to she too. A lot said yeah man, you know you have other artists out there more you listen but mostly Beanie Man, I listen to Beanie Man a lot.
As you mentioned Gaza Sheba, another bloodline that.
Yeah man, you know.
Are your mother?
Yeah man.
Yeah, so yeah, look like a Gaza baby then. Having a mother in the music business, what are some of the lessons you've been able to pick up from?
Alright, a whole heap of lessons. You understand what I say? In fact, where you know music set up, nobody can really go around me. You understand? Because my mother teach me that said way. You see me? Nobody can really trick me.
Yeah.
You know that and how to deal with certain things, you know, I kind of understand that because you know more while when the popularity and the fame come your way, you know, you can get to your head. We learn if you can stay firm with that, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Hold it more.
Yeah, so in terms of even your writing and them thing, is that thing where she usually work with you, where I teach you how to do them thing that you just learn by watching?
Naturally, not even by watching. Naturally it just happen, because I write song in a book like, or so, you know, but me sing something now and just remember it.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, man, so to me, probably just a natural thing.
Yeah.
As we say, I bloodline.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's a good one. And what kind of feedback she give you on like the music right now?
She give me really good feedback. You know, she's supportive. She excited too at the same time. You know, so she kind of surprised too at the same time. You know, so and every time you know we do a song or so, I see the reaction that she give me. It just make me want to do more. You know, because everybody wants to see money and smile, though.
Sure.
Yeah, man, true.
You know, have a combination with moving that works.
No, but that was sometime in the future, you know.
Oh, that's the good. That's like. Talk to me about the thing where you promote now, because we see a video where we hot up the internet right now, going all crazy views and weird thing. Tell me about it.
Yeah, alright. No Love, produced by the song No Love. Yeah man, the song produced by Fire Royal. You understand what I say? The song does everything, it does different. You understand what I say? From we hear it the first time, they have freestyle, you know. In the streets, I say, yo, I hit. Fire Royal, I say, I hit take, everybody, I say, hit. A regular life experience and anything that the song was created, so. You know, and you know, anything real sell, any expenses, anything real, so you know.
What inspired for you personally? Was it something you that got through in your life?
Things that I go through in the past.
Yeah.
You understand? And things that I see people go through it as well. You understand? Me alone, that's why so much people can relate.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about the concept of the video and why you choose to go that direction there.
Alright, the video idea was put together by Fire Royal. You understand? Him come and me and say, I like it. I like the idea, you know, because I'm more while there by yourself. But you can see me alone in the video. More while I'm there to yourself, you get a chance to, you know, free them things.
You had it for a year now. How pleased are you with the progress where you've seen in the last year?
Yeah, I feel good. Alright. I feel good for now, so I see it will grow. You understand? Because I come like just yesterday. Nobody never really recognize you and you never really do nothing, and then you wake up and the sun out the door and everybody know Enhance now, or most people. You understand what I say? And the team, they're around you to support and everything. So it feel good. When we just start, I never have a team. I have a team now. So you can see the growth in it. So I feel good. I'm pleased so far with where it go.
Say you did it for 1 year now, so basically you launched your career in the heart of Corona time.
Yeah.
How did you manage to keep the wheels turning in a time when music was at such a standstill?
Because, it's great. That's
What
why.
was one of your tools then?
We use social media, because everybody kind of into with social media right now, especially in the art of corona and the whole lockdown business.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So we use social media as it, and the little time we get to go to, we never waste it as well. You understand? Yeah, so we kind of keep every time occupied and everything. You understand?
Speaking of social media, let them know how them can find you on social media.
Alright. I go Instagram. On Instagram is Enhance Music. Understand? Enhance Music. Enhance spelling NHANCE Music. You understand? On YouTube it's also Enhance Music. TikTok also Enhance Music. Any social media platform. Yeah,
That's a good. If you could have worked with one local producer right now, one established producer out there right now.
Yeah, not nice. Not nice is a good producer. And Frost is a good producer out there.
Sure.
You know?
You have a dream collaboration where you say, yo, so I look forward to that collaboration.
Yeah, man.
Who that?
Me and the same guys actually, man. Mommy, man.
That's a good idea. Enhance, give me a tune for Tech Real.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so you know that one here, No Love, you see me? By Enhance, you know. But now no love, that no day for me. Y'all will love going like, could just give me the money. But gone in the world, I feel me ready, move me. Let's go and pray some prayers and send your blessings to me. Some jail people and look at them doing. That's why my heart stay evil ready for everything. Nobody in the world can tell me say them no sin. Can't tell me say no sin, you can't tell me say no sin.
Enhance, not your normal.
Yeah, man.